business started up, funnily enough, in Oslo over a beer and a pizza. We started discussing our industry, which was the subsea oil and gas industry. We started thinking about some of the real benefits that we could offer.
So we started in 2007 with £45,000 worth of initial working capital. 12 months later, we had ISO accreditation in quality, health and safety and environment. The strategy from day one has been to reinvest our profits into product development.
We've now managed to create at least 16 patent families, and in addition to that, we've created a number of products and services which we've now taken into the subsea oil and gas industry, which is having a significant impact.
One of the products which has resulted from that investment has been V-Life. It resolves one of the major problems that the industry has, which is water ingressing electrical systems subsea.
It will basically search out where water is coming into electrical cables. When it finds the water, it pushes the water out, and then it creates a precipitate to prevent further water getting back into the cables.
The ultimate benefit of V-Life is that the operators can continue production, they can avoid having expensive subsea interventions, mobilising vessels for offshore repairs and subsea repairs. So ultimately it is a massive commercial benefit for our clients.
It's won a number of awards, and it's actually won the Queen's Award.
So cable guarding is a technology which combines the VIR insulation resistance monitoring system with a new technology which we've acquired from a company called Livewire Innovation. Combining the two products together gives us a cable integrity monitoring technology which is applicable in the railways, airports, mines, a range of industries outside of subsea.
It'll monitor in advance to identify if there are any faults likely to occur, but the fact that it will pinpoint where those problems are means that it can lead to a much faster resolution.
The railway industry in the UK suffers from signalling failures, predominantly driven by cable failures. If a main line is down from signalling, Network Rail could be fined up to £250,000 an hour. Cable guarding can reduce those times and prevent the failure in the first place. We're investing for the future. We're sponsoring PhD students locally. We have KTP programs going where we generally take on the associates after that KTP program.
I was in the Air Force for 11.5 years as an avionics engineer, prior to joining Viper Innovations as a quality engineer. I actually got medically discharged for PTSD. Viper Innovations have been fantastic for the transition from military into civilian life. It is a bit of a change and a culture shock. However, the guys, management, everyone in the company has actually made it quite a smooth transition.
I started off as a graduate engineer up in Aberdeen actually, so working as a subsea controls support engineer more or less. It's always been a very supportive company to work for. I've always felt I've been able to go and talk to senior engineers who've got 20, 30 years of experience. It's quite satisfying to see things sort of being implemented, your suggestions being used, and obviously that's very rewarding. And when you see the end product having, 18 months ago it been an idea with some vague technical specifications, to actually see it working in real life is very exciting.
We're now 50 people. We're exporting 65% of our products and services. We're procuring locally, probably about 75%. We just about celebrate our 10-year anniversary.
We're taking all the staff for a party locally. Well, the last 10 years, they've flown by, but they've far exceeded our expectations as to where the business will be. And that means that our bar has been set high for the next 10 years. It's an exciting place to be, and we're really looking forward to it. Maybe on our 20th anniversary, we'll have that beer and a pizza to celebrate.
In Oslo.